What's going on, everybody? It's your boy HTX.V3, and in this video we're going to be doing a product review on the latest pressure washer that Giraffe Tools has sent over to me. Now, this pressure washer is going to be an all-electric pressure washer that stores a 60-foot hose on the inside. It looks very sleek and modern, goes very nice in the garage, and isn't a pain in the butt to be able to set up. Now, this pressure washer actually can go 90 degrees to the right or to the left to make it easier for your cable management. Along with the included soap bottle that it comes with, has a nice storage in the back for you to kind of tuck it away as well when you're not using it. When done, you simply turn the pressure washer back to its normal position, and there you go. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. You simply want to turn on your water. You turn on the actual pressure washer with a simple switch, and voila, it's ready to work. Now, the coolest feature has to be the 60-foot retractable hose that makes it so easy to clean anything that's parked in my driveway, whether that be my four-wheelers, whether that be my CTSV, whether I gotta clean the driveway. No matter what it is, I don't have to worry about limitations on how far I can go because of the 60-foot hose, which makes it that much more convenient for me to want to pull the hose out and get things cleaned up. The pressure washer actually comes with 4 different attachments, depending on the type of degree angle that you want the water to come out, whether it be a straight line, whether it be a 40-degree angle, 20-degree angle, so many different options to choose from to make it easier for you. This has made pressure washing so easy for me and not a hassle to have to go and set up the whole equipment, connect water hoses, connect power supplies, and things like that. For those of you guys who use pressure washers, you know the hassle. This is as easy as turning it on and you're ready to go. So I want to give a big thank you once again to Giraffe Tools for sponsoring this video and sending me out this amazing product. This has made cleaning my car that much more easier and that much funner for me to do. So do me the favor, go check out their page, give them a follow, give them a comment, leave a like, and go get your hands on one of these pressure washers. I guarantee you, you will not regret it. Thank you guys for your time, and I appreciate you for watching.